It's so hard.
Stop. My crampons.
But if you can hook that up with an HDMI, look at it.
Yeah, I think that would work really well for you.
Make the crunch.
There you go. To the mountains.
It's powdery.
That's it.
This is where the donuts are made.
Snow. It's hard wet.
Timber Mallory.
We in it. What is it? Oh no. Oh no. I don't know what to do about that.
Oh no.
It's too foggy. Dang it. Got the lens all fucked up. That's better.
Okay?
Yeah. It's better. It's snowing. Don't know if you could see it, but it's going down a little heavy. We're going up the Cucamonga Wilderness. So last time we went that way. This time we're gonna go that way. 1.6 miles. We're gonna try to reach the Ice House Saddle at 4.3 miles, and then we'll loop back around and come through here and back to the parking lot. Wish us luck. It's very snowy. Merry Chrysler.
Merry Chrysler.
Merry Chrysler.
Hi, so welcome to Jade's nature documentary. So right here we have found an icicle. And you know it's an icicle because it's made of ice.
You can tell it's an icicle because of the way it is.
Ain't nature neat?
Nature! You're really beautiful.
No.
So we found the campground. It's pretty unassuming. Other than that lone little brown sign that says 1. But essentially, this is a backcountry campground where you can place up, I guess, wherever. And it's right next to the trail. Just make sure you're not super close to it. But yeah, maybe we should hit up the spot sometime. What do you think?
I think that's a good idea.
Okay. So I had a bit of a wardrobe change because the snow is coming down pretty heavy. Heavy for a Californian. But this jacket is doing a good job of not keeping me too warm so I'm sweating so hard, but covering me from the biting cold, which is nice. My sensitive Californian skin can't take it. But that doesn't mean I'm not gonna do it. How you doing, Borgies?
Doing pretty Gucci.
Gucci. Awesome, just like we would like to hear. Check that shit out.
I like snow hiking.
Wah, wah, wah. we really wanted to come out here and try to catch this winter storm. The first snowfall we've seen this year for Baldy, for me at least. And it's absolutely beautiful. Especially taking this trail, it's so quiet. We've only seen like one other person, even though the parking lot's full. It's a great trail to take. Consider it. Stinky man.
Well, I was gonna offer you a sale of cocaine, but it looks like it's fucking everywhere.
Oh no, not the cocaine. Not it being
Oversaturated.
everywhere.
Oversaturated market. I can't do shit here.
You gonna walk for 5 more minutes? Or
Yeah.
would you like to turn back now?
5 more minutes.
Okay.
So pretty up here.
Right?
We should go out this way more often.
I agree. I think we should do a camping session here. Maybe a snow camping session. And it's not that difficult either. I think also because it's cold and I can't feel my feelings just the way I like it.
Styrofoam.
Eat it.
No. I don't think it's good for me.
What do you mean?
It could be acid snow.
Acid snow.
Yeah.
Here, let me
acid-
see it. I'll tell you if it's acid snow.
Are you tripping yet?
Oh. No, I'm tripping. We're gonna head back now. I don't know how far we're in, but unfortunately, Jade has to work today, and so we gotta get her back by 10. So, goodbye for now. Thanks for joining us on this here trip. Appreciate you.
Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, the bell for the YouTube algorithm.
Or not, whatever you want.